Hi friends, now I would like to give the information about how do you create Google Scholar account. And this is an important for the researchers to know what is the citation about their published journals. See what is the citation of our published papers or H-index and I-10 index. The H-index is nothing but a maximum value of H is that the given author or journal has published H number of papers that have each been cited at least H times. So that is meant by the H-index. The I-10 index is nothing but any published paper have cited by 10 authors or 10 papers, that we can call it as the I-10 index. Now I'll give the information about how do you create Google Scholar account. See, this is like this. See, for this, suppose now google.com, I'm using the Google browser. Here I will type Google Scholar. See, here I'm typing Google Scholar. See what it is showing now. I'm just clicking this Google Scholar. Now observe, here it is showing. So this is my website. Suppose there is a new account. How do you add it? Add an account, use another account. See here, use another account. So suppose I'll give one of my friends email ID. See here, it is showing. Now I'd like to give, look at here, here 3 lines. Just click on your profile. Once click on profile, it will show here. See here, whatever the name and in which institute you are working, this is the affiliation. Email for verification means to verify this account you can give whatever the official mail ID it may be. Areas of interest, here you can give in which field you are working and what is your research topic. And the home page, here you can give, if you have any personal website you can give the information here. Now suppose I'm not giving any information, because for sake of giving information I'm just showing this. Now click on next. Observe here articles. If you published already any one of the journal, see it will appear like this. Or otherwise, if it is not appearing, you type whatever the title of your published paper. Here you type whatever the title of, suppose I will give, suppose for example, convective heat and mass transfer. Now click on search button. See here it is showing. I am just adding, this is not my account. See here, I'm just clicking this, just clicking on this. See here 177 articles. This is not good. I'm just clicking one article for sake of giving the information. See, just I clicked on one article. Now observe here, you just press the arrow mark. Now it is showing some settings. Update your published papers, automatically add it. So that means apply updates automatically, or otherwise for each update if you'd like to verify, so that means they will send an email once you publish a paper or with your name any one has been published. Here you will get a email alert, or otherwise it will automatically add to your Google Scholar account. Now observe here, this is make my profile public. If you don't want to publish your Google Scholar account to people, so that means you keep it as it is. Otherwise, if you want to publish your Google Scholar account to the public means just click this account. See, I'm just not, I don't want to publish this, so I'm putting done. Okay, now observe here, this is Here just this is one of my article, it is showing here. And see, observe, this is the citation for last from 2020 to previous. Here it is showing what is the citation, what is the H index, what is the I10 index. Suppose if you'd like to add any new journal, just observe here, click the plus, add article groups, add articles, manually if you want to add it. So this is, friends, how do you create a Google Scholar account, how do you check citation, H index and I10 index. Thank you. If you like the video, you subscribe it for more updates. Thank you.